Now, let me introduce a recent addition to the app that really improves how we handle manual dimension entry. In the past, we used a scroll wheel for input. It worked, but it wasn't always the fastest or most natural way to enter measurements. So we built a custom keyboard specifically designed for how window treatment professionals actually work, especially here in the North American market, where we deal with 1/8 and 1/16 of an inch. Before we jump into it, just a quick reminder. If you go into the left menu, the hamburger button on the home screen, you'll see a setting where you can choose whether you're working in 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch. That selection directly controls what the keyboard looks like. If you're in 1/8 inch mode, you'll see a simplified keyboard with just the 1/8 fractions. If you switch to 1/16, you'll get the full keyboard with all the fractional options. You'll also notice the layout is designed to go from smallest to largest, left to right, making it quick to find what you need. Let's walk through a few common scenarios. First, entering a decimal measurement. We tap into a field and start typing. For example, let's say we enter 24.785. As we type, you'll see the value displayed clearly at the top of the keyboard. Once you're satisfied, simply press Enter. That value is placed into the cell, and the app immediately applies the same logic as it would with a laser measurement, including rounding and highlighting. Next, let's look at using the fraction buttons. Instead of typing out decimals, you can simply enter the whole number and then tap the fraction. So if we want 24 and a fourth, we type 24, tap the 1/4 fraction button, and press Enter. Same thing for 25 and 1/8, or 24 and 3/4. Each time you press Enter, the value is captured and the cursor automatically moves to the next field, just like when you're measuring with a device. Now, let's talk about overwriting a value. If you need to change something, just tap the cell once. The app automatically highlights the entire value for you. No dragging, no selecting. Then you simply type your new number and press Enter. The old value is replaced, and the cursor moves to the next dimension. This works the same way if you're using a Bluetooth device. Just tap the field and shoot a new measurement to overwrite it. Next is clearing a value. Tap into the cell, press Clear, and then press Enter. That removes the value and moves the cursor to the next dimension. One important note: always press Enter after clearing, so the app knows to move to the next field. And finally, we have Copy and Paste. If you want to reuse a measurement, just tap the value once and hit Copy. Then move to another field, and you'll see a Paste button in the top left of the keyboard. Tap it once, and the value is instantly duplicated into that cell. Overall, this new keyboard is designed to make manual entry faster, more intuitive, and more aligned with how you already think about measurements in the field. It removes friction, speeds up your workflow, and keeps everything consistent with the rest of the app.